Hello everyone, it's me Jebby from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to keep Google Play system up to date in any Android smartphones and tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So in order to keep your Google Play system up to date, just open the settings and just click on the search icon and just search for Google Play system, and now you will see here Google Play system update. Just click on it. Now you can see here below Google Play system update. Just click on it. Now you will check for newer updates. So now you can see I don't have any newer updates, so the latest update is already being installed. So you need to go to this option in order to keep your Google Play system up to date. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily keep Google Play system up to date in any Android smartphones and tablets very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.